Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Scheduler supported by Spring Framework. Say you have a method in your application. That method has to be called every 30 minutes or at some point of time, say 9:30, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. You can schedule it, and Spring Framework supports that. You don't have to take care of tracking the time. Spring Framework you have to configure, so Spring Framework will call your method at particular time. So I'll show you the XML file so that you can understand. Here in this XML file I have an important tag called task schedule task, and inside that I have task schedule. Here I have to give the bean name and the method that the Spring has to call and how frequently the Spring has to call this method. So I'll explain this expression. So this is the cron expression actually, so Spring can understand it. It says every 2 minutes call this method on this class. I want to repeat, every 2 minutes, okay, sorry, every 2 seconds, every 2 seconds call this run method on this class. So this run scheduler is nothing but the bean ID and the corresponding class is my task. Okay, so every 2 seconds call this method on this class. This class is very simple class. It's my task, and it has run method with a print statement which is going to be printed. So when I load this Spring configuration XML file, I'm loading this XML file. What will happen? The Spring scheduler will try to read this tag, parse it and understand it, and this Spring Framework will understand this expression, and it's going to start our my task run method for every 2 seconds. So a simple example for Spring Scheduler. I'm going to run this now. So in the console you can see the application XML file, the Spring configuration XML file is loaded, and my task run method is called every 2 seconds. So this is how Spring Scheduler works. So Spring takes care of tracking it and calling your method frequently. The frequency you can configure here. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.